Yes, the crunches.
I don't know. So we have an unboxing video here. Raiyan doesn't know what this is. I know what this is.
I know what
What's your guess?
The crunches. Knew it.
You know?
The new ones.
I kid. It shows you all the different teams. I'm going to show you. So you have Charlotte. What team is that? Cleveland. Golden State. Dallas. New Jersey.
Los Angeles
Clippers.
Boston. Minnesota. Milwaukee. Philadelphia. Toronto. Memphis. Grizzlies.
So we don't know what's in this box right now. This is what it
it.
came in. We need to open it. Raiyan wants to see.
These are the... Which ones are these? It's the
say.
red one.
It should say on here. So this is the 96 draft.
13 by Kobe Bryant.
What team does it say?
3.
You have the number 8. You have the number 24. The inside is what it looks like. This is the number. This is the Kobe 4. This is probably one of my favorite Kobe's. Extremely comfortable. I love this model. I'm glad I landed on the sneakers drop for these. So
can you give me one?
This is the wrapping that it came in. Nice Kobe Mamba wrapping, the Kobe Draft Day package. So yeah, this is a size 10.5. And we'll be rocking these. So that was the unboxing of the Kobe 4 Protro Draft Day sneakers.